Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Instagram and I'm going to show you how to delete your invite messages that you've sent out. So let's get in. So once we are on our homepage, we can go to the messages on the top right hand side. It's this icon over here. And here we are going to search for a message that we've sent, an invite message. So if I go into search here and I just type in the person that I've sent an invite message, at the bottom of the page it says invite sent. Now how do we change this? So what we're going to do is we are going to tap on the view profile, and here on the top right hand side we'll tap the three dots. Now once we're in here, we will have to block this person. Now you don't have to block and report, you just want to block. Once you've tapped on block, you want to go back. And over here, you will now see two options, either to unblock or to delete. Now, what you want to do is tap on delete, and you can permanently delete this chat. This means it's being deleted for you and also the recipient. So we're going to tap on delete. And now what you can do is search for that person again, add that person and unblock him or her, and you can then continue with your conversation. If this was helpful, drop us a big old thumbs up and we'll see you next time. Cheers.